Me, when I got in a private server, I started my this and come back to it. I'm just waiting for minutes. Just 7 minutes. I mean, it's 5 minutes. And you need to touch the various flower of the evening. And I finished this. I buy this and I only have 22 Robux. Because I paid that. It's the only way to get it. I was shocked. But never mind that because I still make my patience. I'm waiting for it. Ma, 1 to 18 na. 1 to 80. Pila man? 4. Mas 3 ba to na? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ito. Hi, Nani Naski. Komento. Hala, ma. 1 to 119 na. 1 to 190. Pila man ka minutes, anak, mami, o, kani, o. No, try. Sorry. Sorry, blue one. Which one? Hi. Yeah, I really like the 5 minutes. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. 11:17 or 11:22? I think 1 minute. Ang number... Idool ko niyo mo to? I-check ang time? Oh, dapat 1 minute. 1 hour? Oh, 1 hour. Waiting. Hala, 1 to 0 na. Pila man? Yes, we don't know one. I'm just waiting for it. Flower, I'll give you the rarest flower, Jessica. Okay. You get this pink flower thing? Naka itong pink flower thing, but more siya ka ng, hindi ka ng thing ganit na katong rare fruits man. Basta rare fruit kayo ni. And I buy my Robux for the sprinklers. That's why I cried because I have to do that and there's no more sprinklers. Thank God. Lights. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to snap the ball. There. Stop me. Ang minutes na kay 1 to 1 na. Hala, kanina ang minutes, mami, oh. Kani, oh. Sila na ko minutes. Hindi talag 1. 1 na lang. 1 na lang? Tapos unsa pagbalit na? Unsa pagbalit? 1 minute. Unsa pagbalit, Jessica? Pagbalit? Di lagi ko kabalo. So, nagpaabot pa siya sa time, pati mo kabalo sa papalit? I-crop lang di ay. I-crop
man ka magpalit. Grow back. I-crop na mo, ipalit.
Crap na niya.
I-press ang crop button.
Wani, usap na po na ko ni.
Wamang ko kabalon sa button ako.
Dali mo na nara. Kadali lang di. Ayaw kong hilak dayo. O, kabalon sa kanya. Imo. Dali ito imong gipabot niya 1 hour, ate.
Among bot.
Flower, nasi.
Uy, Francesca. Ito may
Di ba na flowers na sage sprinkler man na.
O, sige, tuloy siya.
Nga naka-frozen naman na sa mga near na plants na idool niya mo sa sprinkler.
Gusto mo ko, anak.